Hey there, this is Zeph, and I want to ask you a question. Are you still using a whiteboard or a blackboard to do notes, presentations, and all that? Okay, time to upgrade. And what I'm presenting here is a 75-inch HIKVISION interactive flat panel. So what do we have here? It has so many functions, but I'm just going to quickly show you some typical functions. So when I come here, I have annotate as a function, so I can quickly highlight, point out, write my numbers. Of course, it will come with stylus pens. You can always pick. Then there's a camera there. So let me just close the annotation, switch to camera. Of course, it's going to show you a quick preview. You can take pictures, you can do video meetings using that camera. You can also do mobile control where you scan and control the camera from your phone. Okay. Then we have other functions like sharing, upgrading. Of course, it can connect to Wi-Fi. It has Bluetooth. It has change of language. Of course, time configuration. We have the screen with some features like 3 GB RAM, 32 GB. Of course, we have variation now. Then we have another new operating system for this called Wonder OS. If you've not seen Wonder OS, then you're welcome to experience it at our HIKVISION showroom. But again, the best experience is just get the board and then see all these functions. So welcome to try all these functions of HIKVISION interactive flat panel device or interactive flat panel display. So we are going to do more functions. We're going to explore it more. But if you need this, it will come by default with a wall mounting bracket. But if you need a stand like this, so that you can move it around maybe, then you are able to do that. This version of the screen comes with USB ports. Of course, it comes with a slot behind here to mount the OPS. If you need to run Windows because it comes with an Android system, then it comes with network, LAN, so many ports that you will not use. Maybe you just use one or two of them. So if you want to try this, feel free to reach out and we are going to provide more functions. If you have questions about the interactive flat panel, feel free to reach out also. Thank you.